Ladies and gentlemen, let's embark on a journey into the enchanting realm of words, the magical potion that shapes our world. Imagine, if you will, that words can be brewed in two ways, much like a potion, one that causes trouble and sadness, and the other that heals and brings joy. As the wise saying goes, words have the power to both destroy and heal. When words are both true and kind, they can change our world. Our words, often overlooked as mere noises or letters on a page, are like magic wands with a profound and lasting effect on the invisible energy around us. This magical power lies in the simple truth that words, when true and kind, have the ability to shape our reality. The choice of words we use regularly serves as a window to our inner thoughts and feelings, revealing our true selves to the world. Yet, many remain oblivious to this incredible strength and talk without fully comprehending the consequences of their words. Consider this: the words we repeatedly utter become seeds planted in the garden of our minds. If someone constantly speaks of poverty or powerlessness, those words echo around and deeply influence their thinking. It aligns with the concept of the law of assumption, the belief that our words reflect our deep-down thoughts about the world and ourselves. Our subconscious mind, like a secret spy, listens intently and turns our spoken words into the plans that shape our daily experiences. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize that we attract into our lives what we genuinely believe deep down. Joseph Murphy's words echo the same sentiment. What you plant in your mind, you'll see in your life and surroundings. Thus, the importance of choosing our words wisely becomes evident. A positive comment, a kind expression, becomes a powerful tool that shapes a happier and more positive life. Now, let's delve into the profound impact of words on our inner and outer worlds. Our words, akin to magic spells, resonate in the air, creating a giant word cloud that influences the course of events. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, our carefully chosen words become seeds that grow into our future. The power of words goes beyond self-talk. It extends to how we communicate with others. The words we use create a ripple effect, shaping not only our lives but also the lives of those around us. Take a moment to observe conversations. Those who talk about financial struggles often find themselves entangled in the web of scarcity, while those with positive financial narratives explore ways to enhance their prosperity. Words shape attitudes, and positive conversations sprinkled with hope and possibilities bring a brighter outlook on life. But the magic doesn't stop there. By changing our narrative, we can change our story. When we shift our focus from problems to solutions, from what we can't do to what we can, we open doors to new opportunities. Our words become a catalyst for positive experiences, creating a domino effect that extends to the world around us. In this intricate tapestry of life, every individual, irrespective of their circumstances, is a valuable piece of the puzzle. The key difference often lies in mindset. The way we think shapes our unique world and life experiences. Thus, as we speak or think, we must remember that our words are like seeds, growing into our future. Choosing words wisely and speaking with kindness and optimism not only improves our lives but also contributes to a happier, more hopeful world. The world we see is a reflection of what's happening inside our minds and hearts. Our words, like magic spells, have the power to change our lives and the world in remarkable ways. Embracing this magical power within us, we can transform the world into a place as blissful as heaven. So let's pledge to use our words for good, to sprinkle joy and magic everywhere we go, making our world a happier and kinder place for all. Manifesting your dream life is more than just an aspiration, and it's easier than you think. All it takes is a shift into that desired reality. Click here to learn how.